Democrats, my government, that's what we believe. And if you don't, you can just leave. Your party is filled with some old white men. Please get it together or get stabbed with a pen. You're bigger ding-dongs than Big Ben. I thought you were wise men, but clearly you have the intelligence of Lizzie Lohan.
Okay, seriously? The rhyme just suck. Republicans, we got the stuff, and Democrats ain't that tough. When it comes to politics, we got the scoreboard, because Democrats want more. Spending is up and jobs are down. Obama walks around like he's got a crown. We borrow money from many a nation. Money well spent on Obama's vacation.
What you thought was government was good? Y'all are stupid, I'd slap you all if I could. You all live in the South, that's the word of the mouth. Come to the North, it's the right course. Democrats are better, it's like a double header. There's no way to lose with the Democrats as your dudes. Obama's the stuff, and he's really tough. Getting our country put back together with all our wit put together.
We do live in the South, so shut your mouth. It's the best place to come by and see me. I'll serve you upright because you idiots like to fight. But the other Republicans win because your ideas are sin. Your politics suck, but that's just life. Please stop causing all this strife. The grand old party is the GOP. This rap is a rap, so come at me.